Are you a flower lover? Would you like to decorate your house with some of the best-looking flowers out there? How about growing such exotic flowers in your backyard? That would be incredible, wouldn't it? If magnificent flowers are what you want to have in your home, then India is the country you should be looking for, because the country is famous all across the world for its bright and colorful flowers. You will find some vibrant, unique, and gorgeous flowers blossoming at all times. Thousands of flowers are cultivated every year and used most often for special occasions.